Hello students, welcome to Careers360. The CUET scores are already on and today the first round of cutoffs would be coming in. But in the process, a lot of students have been asking us to do some separate reviews on some of the colleges which are most in demand in the DU. And today what we're going to cover is Lady Shri Ram College, and we'll talk of the selection process, the eligibility criteria, the score, the placements, everything is whatever we have as part of a data set, we're going to cover that. And this, by the way, a lot of students also have spoken to us saying that they want to talk to us because the CUET application and admission process is slightly complicated. You need to understand because it's not just a program but a subject level filter also comes in. So if you want any help, we open a separate helpline for you people. You know, the number is 8130376334. 8130376334. Send a message DU if you want to get into DU, and then we'll have one of our counselors of DU calling you up. And some of you might have realized by now that the scores that you got might not get you into the program of your choice in the college of your choice. In which case, if you want to get into a private university or a private college, send us a message, apply, where you're still seeking admission in a decent college. And again, a counselor will call you and help you out also. And my request is please do subscribe to Careers360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. We're putting in a lot of data, a lot of effort in the data culling also. So please do subscribe to Careers360 because there's a series that we're doing on CUET counseling, admission process and all. And the CUET information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the world university rankings. Now about Lady Shri Ram College. The college was established by Shri Ram in 1956. It's a government college now, Constant College of University of Delhi. And it's a women-only institution. That's the best part of it. And that's the reason why the Lady Shri Ram, the name in that, right? It's spread across about 15 acres of land. The NIRF ranking is 17th best college in the country, which is right up there in that sense, right? And a NAAC accreditation A++, which is the best that you can. And the total faculty is 172. Now let me tell you about the placements here. Because many of these are liberal universities, liberal colleges and all, the programs that they offer also is not placement driven. They actually make you learn it, they make you informed, they make you skilled, they make you knowledgeable, and then you are out there in the market. Typically, most of the students tend to go for higher education also. They would not stop with the graduation. So in 24-25, this is based on a filing that they gave to NIRF for 2025 that we don't have for 26 possibly. The data that they submitted to Government of India Ministry of Education is what I'm presenting here. It's not a brochure placement report, but what's been submitted to the Government of India. Here, the total students admitted in 24-25, which means they were admitted 3 years back, remember that? They would be admitted in 22-23 and then graduating in 24-25. It was 1,309, of which 1,299 students graduated, so which means 10 students dropped out or failed or something happened. Of this 1,299, 350 students were placed, but more importantly, 882 students moved for higher education. Now, this is very important for you to understand because the kind of programs that they offer, the kind of degrees that they have, the kind of domains that they were working in, a lot of them need for you to go on for post-graduation and research also. And this, to that extent, is legit. So 350 students have been placed, and the placement percent is 83.93, which means of those students who sought placement or who are in the placement pool, 84% of the students were placed, and the median salary is 9.25 lakh rupees. Previously it was 9.2 lakh, and before that it was 8 lakh. Right, and the placement was earlier 87.1% and 78%. So it is around 80% is what we're dealing with, and the placement median salary seems to be around 9 lakh rupees. Now that's a very credible number for the kind of programs that they offer, because not everything is a professional program here. They're largely graduate programs is what we're dealing with. So what are the programs that they have? And we'll talk of the cutoff also, CUET cutoff also. And we have the cutoff for the unreserved, OBC, SC, ST and so on and so forth. But we are going to talk of this unreserved because it gives you a linear path of what is the most competitive branch in Lady Shri Ram College. The first one is BA Psychology, BA Honors Psychology, where for the unreserved, the highest cutoff out of 1,000 was 926.53. For BA Honors Political Science, it's 915.7, OBC was 859.27, SC is 656.81 and ST is 807.79. For BCom Honors, it's 906.37, 831 for OBC, 764 for SC and ST is 707.29. BA Economics and Political Science, 897.20 for unreserved, 782.38 for OBC. And this is last year data. I'm telling you again, this is not the cutoff that's been declared today. it is the last year's data of what happened in 2025 by the time the entire counseling got completed. 790.66 for SC and ST is 676.19. BA Economics Honors and Mathematics is 890.34. BA History and Political Science is 888.25. BA Political Science and Psychology is 886.19. BA Honors Journalism is 876.79. BA Psychology and Sociology is 874.82. BA Honors Economics is 874.39. BA Computer Applications in Economics is 863.64. BA Honors Sociology is 849.96. And you also have the OBC and SC and ST category cutoffs of CUET. Please do take a screenshot if you really want this. Now moving further, BA History and Sociology at 846.76, OBC is 777.64, SC is 670 and ST is 693. BA Honors is 645.51, 727 for OBC, 678 for SC and 679 for ST. BA Honors History is 831.22, 809 for OBC, SC is 725 and ST is 738. BA Computer Applications in Mathematics is 830.45, OBC is 654.18, SC is 631.65 and ST is 371.41. BS Honors Statistics is 827.72, 660.1 for OBC, SC is 569.42 and ST is 370.77. BA Economics and History is 815.52, 710.08 for OBC, SC is 732.31 and ST is 842.90. B.Sc Honors Mathematics is 779.24, 578 for OBC, SC is 423.59 and ST is 407.99. B.A. Honors Philosophy is 778.72, B.Ed is 733.40, B.A. Honors Hindi is 579.05 and B.A. Honors Sanskrit least in demand is 281.43. So that is what you have as far as the CUET cutoff for last year 2025 is concerned. This is only an indication, mind you. For example, if you see here in BA Economics and History, ST is 842.90. That's an anomaly. But typically when you see all these things move in sync is what I realize. So I'm just presenting data as it happens. But at a category level, it can be slightly volatile at times for some of the branches. But still there is some kind of a pattern that emerges and that is something that can indicate to you what's likely to happen. Now, what are the seat matrix this year? In all, the seat matrix has the programs, we already talked of 24 programs that they have. BA Honors Economics unreserved is 43 seats, OBC is 29, SC is 16, and you know the reservation, the category that happens. PWBD is 5, War Widows is 5, Children of War Widows, and KM Kashmir Migrants is 5. So you know the exact reservation percentage that you have. So when you put that for the unreserved, BA Honors Economics is 43 seats, Honors English is 43 seats, Hindi is 16, History is 43, Journalism is 12, Philosophy is 20, Political Science is 43, Psychology is 25, Sanskrit is 12, and Sociology is 16. Moving further, Computer Applications and Economics is 7, OBC 5, and so on and so forth. BA Programming, Economics and Mathematics is 7, Economics and Political Science is 4, History and Psychology is 7, Political Science and Sociology is 7, BCom Honors is 27, BSc Mathematics is 23, BSc Honors Statistics is 16, and Bachelor of Elementary Education is 25. In all, they have 396 seats for unreserved, 265 for OBC, SC is 147 seats, ST is 73 seats, EWS is 103 seats, PWBD is 46 seats, Children of War Widows is 46 seats, and Kashmir Migrants is 46 seats. In all, they have 1,122 seats across 19 UG programs, and that's what Lady Shri Ram College would offer in the current year. Right, and they also have a few scholarships. But remember, because the fee is very, very moderated, the scholarships also pretty low. But it is still good enough. At least it will acknowledge the fact that you're meritorious and all. So there are a few merit-based scholarships, one merit-based need, one department-specific scholarships also they have. Then you have year-specific awards. Special category visually challenged students also, they would actually have some kind of a scholarship. And there are donor-based for deserving students also. They have quite a few scholarships here. But again, I repeat, the fee is very, very moderate, and and to that extent, the scholarship also would be very, very moderate. Now, if you again, I repeat, these for Lady Shri Ram, we've done a few other colleges. Please do follow them. And if you want to talk to a counselor to understand the DU counseling, please do send a message on 8130-376334. Send a message DU, and one of our counselors will call you. If you're looking for a private college beyond DU, because you might think that the program that you need, you might not be getting an admission into that, I would suggest that you should also look out for the other options around Delhi NCR, which are decent options. And for that, you send a message, apply on the same number, and one of our private college counselor would be calling you up. I hope this helps you. If you want me to cover any other college, message me. And we're doing a lot of content on Careers360. So do subscribe to Careers360 because we're doing a lot of content to help students out. And this is actually a larger series that we're doing, which is the CUET Information and Guidance Series, which is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally in the world university rankings. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Namaste.